issues with your documents like your asylum seekers, passports, and so forth, you need to proceed to the refugee reception areas in Port Elizabeth to sort out those issues, because we will not be assisting people with issues with their paperwork to reside and trade in South Africa. We are going to be dealing with people that have got identity documents, people that have got passports, people that have got company registration documents, and so forth. If you have issues, pending applications, documents that are issued by legal firms, documents that are issued by the Nelson Mandela University, we do not recognize those documents. We only recognize documents that have been issued, documents that have been processed by the Department of Home Affairs. Again, it is expected that everyone in this hall today at this moment are only individuals that have got proper documents issued by the Department of Home Affairs. Anyone who do not have such document, you are not supposed to be here, you are illegal, you are not supposed to be in our streets, you are supposed to be still staying at the refugee reception areas processing your documents. Can I get an indication to say that everyone who is here has a proper document issued by Home Affairs? If that is not the case, that individual must leave this hall now. Do we all have documents from Home Affairs? Thank you. Again, the processes that we're going to be embarking on in terms of assisting applicants, we are only going to be assisting qualified persons in terms of these requirements that I've mentioned, South African citizens or foreigners with proper documents to be in the country, and trade as well. Any person who cannot fit in that category will not be assisted in our offices. Please do not come to our offices if you still have pending documents. We are very busy. We've only got time and slots to assist people who've got verified documents. So let's be mindful about that. A frequency in terms of which department to start with, and the last department, they are here at the front, so they will be giving you that information. Again, we are still emphasizing to those that have Spaza jobs that are illegal, go after the session and close the Spaza shop. We are asking you nicely, do not wait for the operation, because if we get there with an operation, it's going to be a problem for you. We are going to lock the shop. We're going to put our chains, we're going to put our padlocks. So it is important that we respect the instruction of the President of South Africa, close our businesses and start the application processes before the 16th of December. We get that, we understand that. Let's not run against each other. Let's all be adults. Let's all be business people that are professional, business people that are compliant, business people